Okay, so I was going to do an update to my Canvas UI setup. So I thought I would click the record button and show you a couple of things that I've been working on as an example, and a little bit of a use of the AI as we go along. So here's I have basically have a setup where I'm going to have the same background, a header, and my footer is going to be the menu. So this is my current main page. Let's click preview. Where are we? Okay, so here's my current main page. I've got a security page for now. It's just my camera setup. My media player. Mind you, most of this is all done with AI. I have done very little manual work. News. I currently only have the AFL, Australian Rules Football, the current ladder, and the current week's games and their outcomes. So what I wanted to do in this video is show you the news tab that I have this on. I wanted to actually create a view with a whole series of big buttons here that gives me different news topics that would be within the news page. So what we're going to do is I need to create that page, but what we might do is show you. Let's use the camera page. What we're going to do is clone that, call it news. Go up here, go to that, call it news. Let's use the same icon. Where are we? Icon. This will open. Don't worry about that. Just click cancel and you can copy that. Now we open, paste. It's an ion. Select. You go up to here. Do the same. Done. Changed. Now what we're going to do is change all these text boxes. Do these manually. We don't have to resize. I'm just going to make all these for now coming soon, because we're not going to use each of them. Now we're going to switch to AI because this is going to be the easiest way to do this, because I want to change all of these camera widgets to buttons, and I want them to be all proportioned the same. To disable the extra work, let's use some credits. We're going to do now first is, if I select each one of these, holding the control key down, you'll see down here they're accumulating as I select them. Because what this is going to allow me to do is paste all the widget names in there into the prompt. So what I'm going to do is here, I need to change all of the camera widgets to button each button has no text and an icon that works well with the topic coming soon. Here are the camera widgets to this button. That'll paste them in there for me, and click go. Now I'm going to talk while this happens because I want to do this live. I don't want to do a cut. So basically, I'm using Open Router to give me Claude and stuff like that. I prefer, I have a proper Open AI account. That's a month by month situation, but I like Open Router for things like this because it gives me so many more different AI models to play with, and it's basically pay as you go. You put in $10 and you use up $10 and you can see where you're at on their website. So I just like that for this kind of situation, because it if I don't want to keep using it for a while, I'm not chewing up any money, or I pay a monthly fee, so that's pretty cool. So Open Router is what I use for that. Canvas UI is, if you haven't seen, it's set up for multiple different types of AI that it works with Llama and stuff like that. So Llama can be used for some simple changes. I'll just deselect all these. But something like Claude 4.6, I've seen most people on the forums show using it for creating HTML pages like this. Well, trust me, this is Canvas UI is constructed purely around making it easy. Here we go. What have we got? Oh, no, that's just the camera's refreshing. Is based on ground up to make it easy for AI to create things for you. So check out the other video. I'll make another video. Here we go. Here's our buttons. So now it's done exactly what I asked for. So let's take a look. For anyone who didn't know, it keeps context. Some AI models don't like you to overload it, so just be aware of that. That's for now. Let's clear it. We can take a look at what it created. There's my buttons. That looks pretty cool. I think I want to make all the buttons transparent. Definitely want to make all the buttons transparent. Let's highlight all of those. Background transparent. Here we go. This coming soon is missing. C. Fix that. That's better. Okay, so now we've done that. I've created three this view. It needs to say news. Let's go here and change the border. News. What do we want it to be? We just do type white here instead. It's selected. And like so. Does this have main view? Yes. Security. Cameras, yes. Media, yes. Yeah. Oops. So, no problem. Make sure that still works. Okay, cool. Awesome. All right, so I've got 3 news pages that I want to create. So the first one, I'm going to switch this from don't show the icon, and we're going to instead background. I want to put an image. First one is that. Sorry, I want it centered, and I want it to contain. Change this one now to AFL. Do the same to this one. Put the icon off. Browse. This one is bowling. Let's contain. Center. And the last one. Turn off the icon. Browse. One. I call this one news. Pane. Center. Change this one to bowling. This one to actual news. Let's do a quick preview. One. They're too big. Let's change that. I think we'll take the borders. Let's do this. Turn the borders off. Borders. Let's just make these a little bit smaller. $200. 90. That's better. $90. Here we go. Getting to the end here. I said I wanted to do this all live, no cuts, no bullshit. So we need to now if I choose this one and hit control, the first one I choose where it will be, I'm going to align these. The first one I select is what everything's going to align to. So if I do this and this, and then I align centers. It just made me a liar. Try another one this time. Do this one and align the tops. Right. Fix that code, that's for sure. But as you can see, the guiding lines will help you align each one. I'm aligning center here and with the other ones. Yeah, that's what I want. That's exactly what I want. Yeah, that's perfect. Perfect. All right, cool. Might move the names up a couple. Oh, we had a glitch. Okay, so I've moved these around. I've actually remembered one more that I need to create. Let's go into here. Let's remove the icon. I have another one. Haven't uploaded yet. This one. Oh, if you didn't know, the Canvas UI has its a full file browsing tool. So let's choose that one. Contain. Let's center. Let's preview. Perfect. My background's gone. Let's fix that. Um, let's see. That's better. Okay. Let's do a new preview. Awesome. Excellent. Now we need to set it. Have pages for this one. Let's. Oh, yep, I've done that one. I think I have a page for this one. Lotto. Navigate to view. Lotto. Now all the other pages need to be edited. News. News. One. Also news. Fix this. So it has to navigate to the news. Media. One. In news. Okay, let's do a quick kiosk mode test and see how we went. So security is still working. My cameras. Media working. And now we go to news. Go to AFL. Back to news. Go to lot. Back to news. Still got a bug there. A lotto screen. That's strange. Oh no, it's in the news screen. Go to news. Okay. So there we go. We are done. Thanks for watching. And have a bloody good day.